our 72-inch wall mount shelf. First off, the overall dimensions. Our length of 72 inches, depth of 12 inches, and the overall height, including bracket, we have 11.5 inches tall. Measurements for the width that goes along the top of the shelf, we have 1.5 inches. Each of the brackets will have 3 slots for each. So 3 to the right, 3 to the center, 3 to the left. 3 screws for each that's required for drilling and mounting the wall shelf to the wall. Coming to the left will be the NSF certification and plastic film that can be peeled off for a stainless steel finish. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.